those who don't know me, I'm Elizabeth Jenn, professional dog groomer since 2010.
What you crying about? No, you're okay. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. You're okay. Leo, he's still a baby. Huh? He's still a baby. Yeah, tough times. You're looking slick. Yes, you are. You're so cute. Look at that little brown nose. Huh? We're all done. All done. Let's go to the table, hon. Come on. Table. You still crying? What's up? You miss your mommy? Oh, she miss your mommy? Oh. We'll put a little bit of conditioning spray. Wait. I'm here. Wait. And over here. You're okay. Wait. Let's get your ears done. Hang on. Just a little bit. We have just a few hairs. You're good. Okay, we'll do the other ear. Do the other ear. It's okay, hon. Wait. Just a few hairs at a time. Just a few. There. That's good. Up, hon. Up. Thank you. Good boy, wait. Leo, wait. Okay. And slowly. Clean. Oh yeah, slowly and clean. There's a lot of hair there. Make it nice and clean. There. And do your toes. Show me your toesies. No, you're okay. You're all good. And get these toesies done. And you're okay, hon. No. Show me your toes. Wait. Huh? Dremel? Can I Dremel? Can I? Show your toes. You gotta stand for this. Can you stand? Can you stand? Like that. This is new for you. Are you okay? You do it the other way? Okay, upwards. No. Okay, let's try the quieter one. I want him to get used to this. Oh, he won't let me. You're okay. You're okay. See? This one's not as noisy. Darn, I got my own nail. You'll eventually get used to it. Yes, you will. You might not like it, but you'll still know what it is. I want you to scratch Mom. Now, Mom wants you longer than the last time. I'm using a 22 Andis comb here. That is the letter C. It's the green one. It's 7/8 inch, 22 millimeters. Oh, turn around, hon. Now, the last time he got a 19. Not taking much off today. Stand up. Stand. Okay. What was that, huh? Was that the ice maker? Put your head. Put your head. Wait. Wait. I upload new videos every Monday and Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. And if you feel up to it, you can watch the next video in my Up Next videos right here. Till then, guys, bye for now. Bye!